How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your browser, then in the address bar simply type this particular link, and after that hit enter. It is coursera.gq, and just hit enter and wait for it to load. It might take a little while, but it's completely fine. After that, just simply type roblox.com over here. Make sure that you are typing it in the lower address bar rather than the original one. So just type roblox.com and hit enter. Then wait for it to load. It might take a while, but it's okay, and this is how it will appear. Now over here you can provide your information and sign up for a new account. In case if you already have an account, then just simply click on this option of login and log into your already existing account and play Roblox, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.